you want to make serious money blogging? Maybe you want to create a side income, or maybe you just want to write your way to financial freedom. No matter your reason, blogging has afforded thousands of entrepreneurs many opportunities they never thought was possible. And it can for you too, but you have to start somewhere. And in this video, I am going to show you the top 5 ways that you can make money with blogging. So let's get started. Hi, it's Steve from itmakessenseblog.com, and let's start with the question you probably have, and that is, can you really make money blogging? And the answer is yes, but let me do a disclaimer here. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, and you're not going to get rich quick overnight. Now, your results are really dependent on a couple of things. One is the niche you pick, as well as the effort that you put into it. Blogging is takes work, it takes a lot of effort, and it takes a lot of patience. However, I will show you some examples of people doing this successfully and making a lot of money. So now that the disclaimer's out of the way, let me just show you some blogging examples of people actually making real money. So this first one, let's go over here, is a travel blog. And on his income report, you can see that he earns about $6,800 in the month of October of 2019. However, he says he's a full-time blogger, and this blog allowed him to escape his 9-to-5 grind. And now he's traveled the world, and he's seen over 73 different countries and 5 continents and spoken at many conferences ever since he started his blog. So this is just an example. Another one is this couple here, the Savvy couple, and if you scroll down to their income report, the last month they made over $43,000 from their blog. And then a famous one here is Michele from Making Sense of Sense, and in 2018 she made $1.5 million from her blog. Now, she started off, her blog started off as a hobby, and she was just giving financial advice to people, like how to pay off loans, how to pay off student loans, and it turned into this $1.5 million blog that generates her obviously life-changing income. So those are just ways, those are just examples of blogs that are creating people some serious money. So hopefully now you realize that you really can make some serious money blogging. So the next question is, okay, well, how do I make money blogging? Well, the great thing about writing a blog is that it's really flexible. There's no one way that one correct way to make money blogging, and every site is different, every niche is different, and what method you use really depends on your niche, depends on your audience, it also depends on your personal preferences. But now I'm going to show you the 5 most common ways that you can make money blogging. So the first way that you can make money is with display ads. Now there's 2 different types. There's one called CPC, PPC, which is cost per click or pay per click. And that is if someone goes on to your site and you have ads. For instance, I'm on Michele's site here. She has ads here. And if someone were to click on these ads, she would be paid a small fee. The other one is CPM, and that is a cost per 1,000 impressions, and you're paid a fixed fee per 1,000 impressions. Now, probably the most well-known ad provider is Google AdSense, and it's great for beginners. Unfortunately, the payouts tend to be lower than other ad networks, and you're not going to get rich using Google AdSense unless you have like 1 million page views a month. Now, once you start to get more established, then you can look at other ad agencies like Mediavine or AdThrive, but those you need to have and prove that you have a minimum amount of page views per month. But the ads is a great way to monetize your blog, especially as you start to grow your audience. So the second way that you can make money with your blog is through private ads. Now with display ads, you don't have a relationship with the advertisers. For instance, Google AdSense gives you put the banners or you put the ads on your site, and Google AdSense decides what to show. So for instance, if I'm a travel blog, they probably aren't going to show like pet related things, but they decide what to show. Now with private ads, that's where you're in direct contact with the advertisers. Now let's say that you have enough people and let's say you have a food blog and McCormick comes to you and says, hey, I know you have a great blog. Would you mind displaying some ads for some of our products? Now, the great thing about private ads is, since there's no middleman, there's no Google AdSense in between, you can set the rates. Now, another thing that you can do is you can write what's called a sponsored post. So for instance, if McCormick comes to you and says, hey, can you write a post about this recipe, and promote our products that are in that recipe. That's another way that you can do private ads. Now, you can be paid in many different ways. You can be paid per click if you have ads. You can be paid like a one-time fee. You can be paid a monthly fee. You can even be paid on goods. So for instance, McCormick can come to you and say, listen, I'll give you all the free cinnamon you want if you just put up this ad or if you write this post. But that's private ads. That's the difference between private ads and display ads. So private ads is method number 2. All right, the third way that you can make money with your blog is by offering services. So for instance, are you good at creating websites? Well, then you can become a web developer. Or are you good at copywriting? Thousands of companies out there are looking for people to write sales copy. And if you are a good copywriter, you can make a mint. So you can use your blog to write about, showcase whatever you're good at, and the possibilities are endless. You can be a freelance writer, you can be a social media manager, you can be a virtual assistant, you can be a web designer, you could be into coaching, you could be into public speaking, you can be in consulting. And then you can blog about what talents you have. And then you can go to sites like Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and you can apply for jobs. And services is actually one of the quickest ways that you can make money through blogging, because all you need to do is have some skills and people looking for those skills, and you can charge people for your services. So services is the third way that you can make money with your blog. All right, number 4 is digital products. So do you have something that you can create? Well, if you do, then you can sell a digital product on your blog. And digital products come in all different forms. You can create an ebook that you sell, an online course, a membership site, workbooks. Do you have images or videos or music that other people can download from your site and use in their content? Those are just some examples of digital products that you can do on your blog. For instance, Amy Porterfield, a really well-known blogger and podcaster, on her blog sells different digital courses that you can go take. She's also got a membership site. And digital products is a really lucrative way to make money, and especially if you have a course or product designed around the 3 evergreen niches, which is a course or product or whatever around wealth, health, or relationships. If you have something in those 3 what are called evergreen niches, you can really make a lot of money, and that is number 4, digital products. That's the 4th way you can make money on your blog. All right, number 5 is content marketing. Now, this is a different spin on how you can make money blogging, and this is how you can indirectly make money. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let's pretend that you have a pet e-commerce store. Either you have one through like Shopify, or you're selling pet supplies on Amazon through like Amazon FBA. And you sell pet food, and you sell pet supplies, pet accessories, pet apparel, pet toys, everything pet related. Well, you can have a blog either on your e-commerce store or a separate blog, and you can write articles all about different pet related things. For instance, you can write like the top 10 dog tricks that every owner must know, or the 5 best ways to train your cat to go outside, or whatever you want to create. So what you're doing is you're creating these blog posts, and you're gathering an audience because you're providing value and you're entertaining them. And then within your blog, you're sending people off to your e-commerce store, so they're going to buy your products. So it's a little bit different than just having an e-commerce store and hoping your customers will come. This is another way to grab all kinds of customers, all kinds of traffic, because through your content you're creating a loyal following who want to buy the products through you, through your e-commerce store. So that is an example of how you can use a blog for content marketing, and that is number 5. Number 5A, or let's call it number 6, which is related to content marketing, is what's called affiliate marketing. Now, this is my favorite way to monetize a blog. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me just give you a really quick explanation. So what you do is on your blog, you talk about other companies' products or services. And if someone buys those products or services through you, you earn a commission. Now, how do you do this? Well, if you go and you become an affiliate, let's say I become an affiliate of let's just use Amazon.com. They give me specific tracking links that are unique to me. And what I do with those is I put those links on my website, either through a direct link, through written text, or through a graphic, or whatever method I want. And if someone then clicks on that link and buys a product, then I earn a commission. Now, a really well-known example of an affiliate site, actually I don't know if it's well known, but one that you may not have thought was an affiliate site is NerdWallet. Now, NerdWallet, all they're doing is promoting the best credit cards for your specific situation. So for instance, let's say I want to do a balance transfer, I would go to NerdWallet and I'd say, okay, I want to do a balance transfer, and would go through and give me recommendations for the different programs, the different credit cards that have the best balance transfer. And if I click on that and I end up getting a credit card through them, NerdWallet will get the commission. Now, one of the great things about affiliate marketing is, unlike when we're talking about content marketing, is you don't have to have your own product, you don't have to have inventory, you don't have to have customer service issues, you don't have help desk technical issues. All you're doing is recommending other people's products or services, and they should be products or services that you use or that have provided benefit to you. But a great way to monetize your blog is affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing or how to create a 6-figure affiliate marketing business, I'll leave a link down below for a course I highly recommend. So as you can see, there's many different ways that you can make money blogging. And blogging can be a really fun way to make money, because hopefully you're going to write about something you're passionate about. So it's just an amazing way to get the income you want, either, like I said, either to create a side gig or to quit your 9-to-5 because you're making more money than you did in your 9-to-5. So, and if you want to learn how to create a website, I'll leave a link down below. I have a free video course that will take you step by step. It'll teach you how to choose a domain name, how to set up your website, how to write pages and posts and do the menus, and then a little bit about SEO. And I promise you don't need to know programming. And I'll leave, like I said, I'll leave a link down below for that. And if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, and so I know to create more content like this. And comment down below and let me know if there's other ways that you can make money blogging. I would love to hear about it. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, as I'm creating content all the time, and with affiliate marketing, how to create an online business, how to create passive income. And with that, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Blogging has afforded entrepreneurs, no matter what your reasons, afforded thousands of entrepreneurs. Can't say that word. Okay. All right.